everybody. Today we are going to explore the park near our house. It's at block 155. Let's go explore together. Oh, there's a playground around here.
Wow! Over there have what? Basketball? Okay, we go over there first. Walk over there. Okay, let's go. Wow!
Everybody, we found a ladybug.
Where's the ladybug?
It's not a red. It's not red.
Oh,
It's different color. I just find
it's the
it.
brown color.
And I saw something special. A fly with a shining piku.
Huh? Which one?
I saw it flying around.
Okay, okay. Let's go.
Let's go explore.
Let's go. Let's go. Ah, it's a flower. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I think that is a coming, boy. Oh my God. Okay, let's go. You want to walk from here or you want to walk the big cloud there?
Over here.
Okay, let's go.
Now it's more tired.
Here is more tiger, you know.
Why?
You see lah. You need to climb up, man. Okay, let's go, let's go.
So what can we do what? Let's parkour. Parkour like a block.
Not like too fast, huh?
Look,
Wow.
over there will be a block around here.
Yes. Wow.
Let's look.
What is it? Can eat or not? This one I don't know.
Oh!
What's something like?
The
No. Different one.
Huh?
Different one. This one I also don't know can eat or not. Okay, let's go.
This one? Come.
This one is what? Can you list for me?
Bird singing area. Sugar playground. Flower garden.
Amokyo Avenue 6 go right side. Bird singing area.
Singing
The bird singing along here ma. Then the student playground is just now lah. Okay, let's go. Wow. Boy, you want to go here? Hey, you want to go up here? Okay, let's go.
Walking in the jungle. We are not afraid. Walking across the jungle. One step, two steps.
This one how many steps?
What's that sound?
What is the sound?
Oh, that's a cricket.
Sure.
Walking in the jungle. Walking in the jungle. We are not afraid. Walking in the jungle. One step, two steps, three steps, four.
I think น้องเหนือ we like a lot เลย come here I think น้องเหนือ we like
Oh,
wow
that's the end.
eh which one
There's a lot of ants.
Ayo like to me
Walking across the jungle. We are free. Walking across the jungle. One step, two steps,
wow
three steps.
so
stop.
big so long how many steps I think more than what is that wow here we have monkey shh, don't make noise okay
You steal your head one.
Wow.
You steal your head just taking from
Wow,
the
my legs
pavilion.
soft.
kick the monkey.
Think Papa come here, Papa will cry.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
You see lah. Need to climb up all the thing, ma.
Ma?
Oh, not say anything, okay? See anything, not say, okay?
You see the country, the one, the mirror, the one.
Ah,
The one.
no, people catch the bad thing, go inside already.
The one.
Ah, so not say, okay? Shh, shh, shh.
The one with the so many.
Wow. Wow, this pet. Oh my god.
One.
This one is a sea cat pet, ma?
Then,
Wow.
then
You
here
see?
must be have some kind of monster.
No say, no say.
Vampire, all these things.
Okay, okay. Wow. You want to go over there?
I don't know there. That's why.
Okay, you list. You list. Who is it?
We're singing.
Bird singing.
I think I hear bird now.
Okay. Mayflower Garden. Okay, you want to go Mayflower Garden or you want to go here first? Okay, we go here first. Okay? Okay, we go here first. Here we have snake or no, boy? I think we have some snake. Yo, you see snake, you need to run away, you know. Wow. Wow, what is this? Is the garden on top? Is the what? Is the flower? Is the what on top? You want to go? Okay, let's go. Wow.
There's a picture.
Okay, never mind, we go here.
I don't want to take photo anymore.
Okay, I will not take photo.
Eh,
Spider? Is a spider?
a big spider leg.
Oh my god. Oh, here is a flower. Wow, this one is a pink color.
Ma, please get out.
Okay,
Continue.
you go over there? Where you wanna go?
I want to go explore.
Explore. Okay, let's go.
I want to find frog.
Wait, wait, wait. Bye, 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 bye. Okay, okay, okay. Wow, so big. What is that? Huh? Ay, 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 ay. Big a lot. Oh, he's he's jumping, run away. He's jumping, run away. He run away. Don't need to go, don't need to go, don't need to go. So big. Oh, run really fast. It's okay, boy, come. Come, come, come. Okay, let's go. Good.
Is that the place?
Yes.
And the water and monkey.
Hmm?
Is this place?
No.
I think so.
Not run too fast, not run too fast. Wow. This one Iwa. Set Avenue 6. Rooster. Hello Rooster, how are you? Tak 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 tak. Wait. Hen also have boy. Okay, let's go. Woo! Wind. Wind like that. Oh my god. Why go wind like that one? Like wind walking like that one. No, see. Coming near you already. What is that? Oh. Let's go. How can I have that? I think we have mushroom. Okay. Let's go. Oh no, okay. What? Nothing. Wow.
I see something that color inside.
Wow, big garden. Wait, bird.
Hey, sheep. The sheep.
Sheep ah.
And mama.
And mama. Wow, so many. Wow. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Okay, let's go. Just now I saw a bird over there. No, it's fire over there. Hey, Papa, Luther. Egg. Yes. Yes.
These are chicken.
Okay.
There's rainbow color chicken. Careful. There's
Nako, come here. But they have snake inside, huh? Okay.
There was a house.
Okay.
It's like a bird built the house, then close the door.
Oh, okay.
Maybe the one inside the door. Where the dog has the hole?
Maybe she can do?
There.
Yes, maybe. Luther say goodbye. Okay. dog run.
A little bit.
Oh, this one is for the dog run. This thing for dog run.
I don't know what.
Here lah. Then dog can come here to run.
Where is the bird?
Yes.
Bird.
Okay, come. Let's go.
Mom, bite the bird.
You cannot bite bird one, you know. Come. Let's go.
Let's go. One more squirrel.
Yeah, can exercise. Oh.
One for one machine.
Okay, ready to go see later. Have snake. Okay, let's go. One, two, six. This say 1 to 6. Wow.
Oh, one more. Where? What's stick there?
Not touch, huh? See anything not touch, okay? Let's go.
Not the stick.
Okay, let's go.
Not the stick one. The mic.
Okay. Why we never been on there? Come here. Near our house only. Next time. Wow. You want to go exercise? Bye bye. Okay, let's go walk. What is that? Not anything how touch, huh? What is that, look?
The beetle.
Oh.
I think that the wing there I see gold color.
Okay. Not anything how touch, okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Run.
Why?
Exercise. Run.
Why? Waste my energy.
How go with your energy?
Carry me my leg pain.
Okay, let's go back home.
No. Put your bag on.
Say bad thing to mama. Okay, let's go. Oh my god.
Lalu.
Not go to near.
Big. La.
กูดูเนี่ยนั่นเนี่ย
Why cannot near?
It's ยาวเลย
Go.
cannot like we go not go to there faster boy you need to follow let go come boy little scary me come boy tôi nuôi a lot like you okay let's go bye bye Bolanut
I want to see the the bat had the spider one.
Oh yo, the one scary a lot. Okay, let's go.
It's really have how.
Have a man run away. Okay, let's go, let's go. Prince is coming. Ah, yeah, boy. Let's go, let's go. Okay, let's go.
If I see really big house,
Lan la.
big like a
You wait for what? Lan la. Okay, which one you want to go? You want to go down here? Want to go down here? Garden, huh? Garden, Singapore. Do you think Avenue 5? Garden, see. Plaza Garden. Plaza Garden is this one, Plaza Garden. This one, Plaza Garden, right? Or what? Ah, okay, Plaza Garden. Amokeo 5. Amokeo 5 there. Then this is the bird sinking area. Okay.
I see this. Sometimes rare will have.
Hmm.
I'm not too sure from.
Okay, let's go, look, let's go, let's go. Be careful, huh? Along here maybe have green snake or what? Scary, huh? Okay, confirm lah. Have all note. Not move. So cute. Why you so cute, huh? What? We can jumping.
Cannot see it jumping down.
Wait, you see? So many. Oh, so fast.
Where?
There, over there. Wait, over there already. Jumping, jump here, jump there. So cute. Ui. Wow. It flies just now.
Fly again to another shoe.
Which one?
You ever touch her?
Oh, you. This thing cannot touch one.
Wow. Is this one banner? Ma, is
Huh?
this one banner? They cut the tree out.
It's 绳条啦.
And one more 绳条.
Yes.
They cut the piano.
Yeah, this one. This one 绳条. Eh, no. This one no 绳条. I mean this one. This one then come out. They can cut one.
If I use this one.
Wow, this one also 绳条. Very good one, like you see. Wow, this thing very
Ma,
good.
don't put inside piano.
Ha.
I'm so thirsty.
Okay, water. Okay, let's go. Wait. Scary me. Come, let's go.
Oh, why so thirsty?
Hey, what thing it is, huh? You see? So interesting. The flower. You see the leaf like that one? Yeah, this one also have same.
With
You see?
all
See? Like flower, not flower, what it is? You see the leaf?
But I just don't care, just pick.
Oh, no, cannot pick one. Okay, let's go. Cannot anything how pick, okay? No lah, pick for what?
Because so nice.
Nice, don't need to pick, okay?
If we see baby Walla do house,
Say hello, lah.
because it's still baby.
Okay, just say hello, lah. Oh, you want to take back home?
If there's 5 Walla do baby and 2 and Baba and Papa, what we do?
Not do anything.
Just say hello.
Just say hello. This way is a walk. Go back home. Or you want to walk there, then go down again. We walk this way first.
Yeah, I like this way.
Over there also have one way. You want to go over there?
Go here.
Okay, don't want to go, huh?
Go here's the scary place.
How to scary page? This one go down. Then after that, you go back home, lah, huh?
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
We see something.
Which one?
I think this one is baby frog do.
Huh?
Because baby frog waiting us to go back home, they do.
Huh? Okay, like that we need to hurry back home.
Because he can wait for us to go back home, then he will start the raining and thunder.
Okay.
He's coming.
See,
Baby
coming.
frog.
We hurry.
Baby frog saying like,
Think we have fog or not?
Apple.
Tadpole, okay.
Apple can find it.
Have tadpole and have mojito also, I think.
If we saw Apple, just take go back home.
No, not cannot take anything back home, okay?
If I see some kind something behind you like a frog.
Ah, scary me. Why you? Come, let's go. I feeling this park, huh? Like a circle walk, turn here, turn there. You see? Prima, correct. It's correct. You see? Can walk here and turn over here.
Like a frog.
Yeah, here good to come to run. Very good to come to exercise.
Is that frog?
No fog.
Frog?
Here very good to come to exercise.
Frog is frog.
Yes.
Frog is frog.
Mayflower garden.
Here, baby can both.
Yeah. Okay. We have to turn left.
What's that power? Hey! What are they doing? What?
Answer.
What are they doing? Red color.
Less and evil is snail. Evil
It's still
is snail.
so sad they killed my friend's nail. I killed the ant back lah. Use the fire burn.
Yeah, cannot lah. Let's go. Say thank you everybody to watching.
Thank you everybody to watch our channel today. Bye bye. We are going back home. Bye bye.
Wow, what is it? What is a mushroom?
What you see?
It's a mushroom, but cannot touch, huh?
What's a mushroom?
Yellow.
What type?
I also don't know. Cannot touch, huh? Let's go. Let's go.
Mushroom.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Our house also has. Oh, I see something.
No anything how touch. Okay, let's go.
The fruit has hair.
Yo.
What's the kind of fruit? I see the fruit has hair. So scary.
Yeah, let's go. Why here don't have durian tree, huh? Ayo, cannot take it.
It has spike. We just ask someone for that day. We cut the spike. When we cut the spike, go back home. When we go back home, what's the durian? Then cut the durian and eat. What kind of fruit is that?
Okay, let's go.
play, go to that tree and pick. Oh, I saw something now.
Next time we bring scooter come. Hey, boy, I see something. Hey, run away. You go away. You go another side. Hey, hey, what kind of bird?
Owl!
Owl.
Owl! Where are owl?
I see something. Hey, go lady. Hey, we go find our. Hey, what kind of bird?
That one.
Yes.
A baby dog. Go baby. Baby dog go. They go the baby to go. See, it's go. See, it's go.
Okay, let's go.